When I am fulfilled, how will I have any expectations? I am already fulfilled. I have no place to keep anything anywhere else. How come I am with God? How come God is with me? How so? God was always with me. I had forgotten, never bothered to search again. I thought I was lost, disconnected. And so I did my sadhana and reconnected, only to realize I was never lost to Him. He was never lost to me. How can the dream character be away from, disconnected from, lost away from the dreamer? I was afraid, for I limited myself to that which was only seen, the dream. Oblivious of the unseen while in the dream, the higher reality, the bigger, colossal reality of the dreamer. सहज स्थित संकल्प रहित in total love of the dreamer, Ishwar Premi, God immersed. One 100% loyal to the system. Faithfully doing my part in upholding and defending the integrity of the system. Free from expectations for this little self.